Hey everyone, this is Peter Stone, and I am doing this little series because this book is kind of the coolest little book. One of the many I found. And this book is called Start to Live, just in case you haven't done that yet. And what I mean, start to live fully into yourself, into your life, into who you really are without too much reservation. You should really live for who you are, what you are, and the things that mean so much to you. So, what we do not want to do is to live in the shadow of the past, right? So many of us look at the darkness of the past and hold on to the things that did not serve us, and that's totally backwards. We want to learn from it. We want to bless the past. The past is powerful when it's used correctly, used for you, used to propel you forward, not to pull you backwards and to pull you down and push you down. The past is a tool to lift you up. It's our experience, it's our strength, it's our hope that puts us forward, right? It drives us when we let it. Apply it the right way. It's not easy all the time because we have, sometimes this less than useful person over here chewing in our ear. Remember this, oh, you can't do that. But listen to this one that says, get up, look what you did. You did this, it didn't work, but what you learned from it, and you're not going to quit. Whatever it is, whether you're baking food or working on your health or maybe trying to lose a few pounds or change your diet or have more energy and fitness or finance. So, thank the past for the things it's done for you, for the sadness, for the failures, because we learn from the failures. I mean, every single one of us has had failures. Some of us say, oh no, I did that once, I can't do that again. Well, maybe you shouldn't do that again, but what you want to try is something that would get you the same result, but do it a different way, right? Because you want that thing, you want that outcome, you want that dream, you want that goal, you want that desire. So, remember the good thing, the joys of the past, right? And I made a piece of jewelry that they're called words that matter. So what a lot of times we don't do is because we rip ourselves apart and we look at the less than good things inside of us, that we don't give ourselves the really good credit for the things that we've done well. Like, those seem to get buried and they're not a big deal, and we focus on the stuff. I mean, I hear it so much, that's why I say we do it. And I've done it, and thank God that I've gotten out of that. And sure, a fleeting thought comes and tries to pull me backwards, but I'm just like, boom, cut that less than useful, and I might even use this word, negative anchor that does not lift us up and support us. So it's all for your success in anything you want to do. So I'll just review this again. So this says, do not live in the shadow of the past. And I might rephrase it by, live in the sunshine and the bright light of the past. Bring it forward. Bring all those wonderful, great, sunny days forward and amplify them. And lift up your day. Lift up your week and lift up your life, right? So do not live in the shadow of the past. Live in the sunshine of the past. Learn from it. Bless it. Thank it for the lessons it has taught us. Thank it for our sadness, for all our failures, because without the failure, we couldn't learn, could we? We must fail. And most businesses, most people that try business fail much more than they succeed. But the things they succeed on are big enough to bury all those little successes. So, really, the biggest thing you want to remember are the joys and your successes and the sunshine. So I'm here in Thailand. It's like getting close to 1 in the morning, but this is good stuff for me to read before I go to bed. But it's also good to share with you any time of day, wherever you are in the world. I see somebody who may be from Germany and someone from America, maybe someone from Australia, but that's really late down there. Could be South Africa. At any rate, this is Peter, and I'm going to hit the hay, as they say, but let me read this one more time. Do not live in the shadow of the past. Learn from it. Bless it. Thank it for the lessons it has taught us. Thank it for the sadness. Thank it for the failures, for the joys, and for our successes. And I wish you all the rest of a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I'm coming back tomorrow sometime between now and 24 hours, more close to 22 hours, and I'm going to continue on. And I shall talk to you later. Thanks for checking in. This is Peter Stone, www.peterstone.com, just sharing some lessons of the past for a bright future.